Today, we're making everything bagel and cream cheese snacking bread from salty, cheesy, herby, crispy, snackable bakes by Jessie Sheehan. This cookbook is full of recipes that are great for the upcoming holidays and is sure to be one we use again and again. For this recipe, start by combining the salt, dried minced onion, dried garlic flakes, sesame seeds, and poppy seeds together in a bowl to make the everything seasoning. Reserve 1 tablespoon of the mixture for later in the recipe. Then, cut the cream cheese into 24 pieces and put on a plate or parchment-lined baking sheet. Refroze the cream cheese slightly to make it easier to cut. Once you've got all the cream cheese cut, put it in the fridge until you're ready to add it to the batter. Then, in a large bowl, mix the melted butter and sugar together. Add in the eggs one at a time. Once added, add in the buttermilk. Then add in the baking powder and baking soda and thoroughly mix. Add in the everything seasoning. And add in the flour and slightly combine. Then gently fold in the capers. And finally add in the cream cheese. Be sure to be gentle here to not overmix the cream cheese and get the flour just mixed. Once everything is mixed, transfer the batter to a greased baking pan lined with overhanging parchment paper. Smooth out the batter and top with the reserved everything mixture. Bake until a tester comes out with just a crumb or two on it. This bread is just like the inside of an everything bagel. It's good on its own, and it pairs well with anything a bagel normally would. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.